The body tag contains all elements that will be visible in the content area of your web page. This includes paragraphs, images, tables, forms, and a lot more. Let's close this and add some example elements to our body to get started. Here, I've typed in a sentence and added breaks where I'd like the text to wrap. Let's save this and see how it loads. First, let's note that everything inside the body tag does get rendered. However, it hasn't rendered as I intended. There are no line breaks, and everything gets printed at the top left of the page. That's because I haven't added any tags telling the browser how to treat each element, and we'll talk about that in the next video. What's important here is to see that anything we place between the open body tag and the close body tag gets printed to the screen. That's all there is to the main structure of an HTML web page.